Hi everyone, I hope you had a great weekend. So in today's video, this is part 2 of the press-on nails that I am reviewing. Today we are reviewing the Beetles press-on nails. Beetles has sent this to me for review and I thank them so much. They sent me style number PN018. It is a real pretty almond French with a little pearl at the cuticle. I really like the little file that came with this one. And of course you have your jelly tabs, and I just really like this set because it just is so simple and elegant and perfect for a wedding or like for a bride. So I'm going to apply these with the Beetles nail glue. And one thing I will say versus the last set that I had tried, which was I believe the Melody Susie, this plastic is actually like thicker. They just felt heavier, if that makes sense, and there wasn't a flimsiness to them. So I'm going to see how long these last and I will check back in with you guys. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and I will see you in my next one. Bye.